brand offers a range of trade-only UK manufactured engine and fuel treatments. Braking, air conditioning and cooling system products are also available. To find out how Sol-X is supporting garages with its innovative solutions, we joined Paul Woodend, Sol-X sales manager for the North West, while out on his delivery rounds.
On a daily basis, I'll visit my customers in certain areas, show them potentially new products that we've brought out, make sure they're happy with the products they've got that they're using already, help and advise them on where they may be able to use some of those products in the garage and the workshop environment, and make sure that they've got everything they need to carry on doing the job to the best of their ability.
Next stop for Paul is Mitchell's Garage in Chester, which has been using Sol-X products for a number of years, having previously not been completely satisfied with the alternatives. The owner has asked for Paul's assistance to treat a customer's Vauxhall Vivaro with a suspected DPF fault.
This vehicle arrived with us this morning showing a check ignition fault on the dashboard, and on further investigation via diagnostics we found that there is a problem with the DPF. Now, we looked at various other parameters just to ensure that it is the DPF that's the fault and there's not something else that's caused it. Obviously a DPF could be faulty for a number of reasons. After ascertaining that it is the DPF that's faulty and the reading of 63 grams of soot in it, we continued then to clean it using the Sol-X DPF cleaning system. So we send the vehicle up in the air, we disconnect the pressure pipe, we connect our applicator to it, and we put stage 1 into the DPF. Now, we do that slowly and via pulse so that the product gets time to work its way through the cores. Once that's in the vehicle, we leave it in there for around 5 minutes just to do its job. We then start the vehicle and get it back up to normal operating temperature because the product is aided by the heat through the exhaust system. We then flush that product out along with the soot and the carbon that's built up in the DPF through the exhaust tailpipe. So we have a collector that collects the muck, and we send 2 litres of the Sol-X stage 2 process through the vehicle, through the exhaust system, in the same way as we did stage 1. Once all that's complete, we reconnect the pipe to the pressure sensor and we put a fuel-borne additive into the tank.
The 3-stage process is applied with the DPF in situ, offering technicians a simple but highly effective solution. And while there's lots of other DPF treatments available in the aftermarket, Paul Mitchell of Mitchell's Garage told us that he favoured the Sol-X DPF cleaning system for its simplicity.
A lot of DPF issues now, we'll say a lot, 2 or 3 a week, which we tend to use Sol-X's product to clean them out with. Connect it up and put it down before the DPF, clean it through, and then regenerate the DPF after, to clean it all out. It's cheaper actually than most of the bigger brands are doing at the moment, and it works just as well. I've no issues.
You don't have to spend an awful lot of money to solve a problem on a DPF. We don't ask people to spend thousands of pounds on expensive machinery to solve the problem. You can do it for a minimum outlay, but you can get a fantastic result.
Back on the road, we took the opportunity to ask Paul what added value the Sol-X brand has for independent garages.
And we can give people pointers of what to look for, rather than just diving in to do the DPF clean. Let's make sure the DPF might need cleaning, but let's make sure that ultimately that resolves the problem. If you've got component failure or other issues, you need to address those before you start dealing with the DPF. We want to form long-lasting relationships with people. We look at them as our friends, and we'd like them to look at us as friends, not just a supplier or somebody else coming in the door. But we want a relationship to work with people over a long period of time, not here today, gone tomorrow.
The brand itself was established in 2008 and has built up a reputation for quality products, thanks to an extensive and ongoing research and development programme. For further information about Sol-X and to see its full range of products, go to its new website, solxsolutions.com.